Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to an episode of Greatlocs. I'm Gunther the Great, and the Greatlocs Masterclass is now available. Now, without further ado, I'll see you in your first class. Now, the masterclass is for anybody who has straight or curly hair, so literally anybody from the 1 hair type all the way to 4C hair type is for you. So if you want to start your dreadlocks or if you want to maintain the dreadlocks that you have, sign up for the masterclass. Now, why is the masterclass so significant? Because you get the locking bundle for free. It's included in the class. So the moment you signed up, it's shipped out straight to you. And you should receive it within 2 days. Now, I feel like this is really the icing on the cake. You get to text me personally. So if you have any trouble or any concerns about your hair, you get to text me to my actual mobile phone number. So that means I don't have to go through the comment section of something, or I'm not reading through DMs because I get thousands of those daily. So you get to text me personally to my direct phone number, and I get to text you back instantly. So if you need help with your hair type, or your hair's not locking up correctly, or something's happening to your hair that you're not sure about, you get to send me a picture, send me a video, whatever you need that's gonna help you with your dreadlocks, you can do that personally to me. Now, the masterclass is set up in a really cool way. It's 8 easy sessions, and once you purchase the masterclass, you get to keep it forever. Now guys, I've been literally working on this masterclass for the last 2 years. So I've put a lot into it, and I want all of you to enjoy it. Now, the original price for the Greatlocs Masterclass is $100, but for you guys, you'll get it for $54.99. And you get the locking bundle for free, and all these classes are jam-packed with so much knowledge that it's really valued over $1,000, because you don't have to go to a loctician, you don't have to go to a loctician school, which is thousands of dollars. And even just like I said, a loctician, you're spending thousands just for starting and maintaining and so on and so forth. So for $54.99, you're saving thousands of dollars. So guys, make sure to click the link at the top of the description and sign up for the Greatlocs Masterclass, and I'll see you in the first session. Well, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. If you have any recommendations on videos you would like to see, make sure to comment them down below. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.